drive the 2018 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, M Sport package, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.